Hello guys, good morning. I have another question of one of my subscribers asking, what are the fastest stocks in the market? Okay. Now, when we speak about fast stocks or runners or what you call leaders, all these kind of stocks, they can go in price very, very quick. But understand the risk. If a stock was like $5, in a month it goes to $25. Just an example. It happens and it will happen. It happens in the past. It happens now and it will happen in the future. So we have this kind of stocks. Now, it's 500% in 1 month. But these stocks, since they are so fast, the risk is too much. Now, a lot of beginners, when they think about this, they don't think about risk. They think always how much money they can get. Now, this is the difference between a professional trader and a beginner. A beginner is always thinking how to make more money from little money. Someone just sent me an email. He told me, how much money should I have in order to get $1,000 a month? And he stated in his email that he has $750. What do you think about this kind of people? How do they think? This kind of people, or beginners, they have no idea about the performance. So that's why they are always stressed and they are always frustrated. And they think that other people are making that much money and they don't make that much money. So they are finding ways in order to make that much money from a little money. Okay? But please try to use common sense. Okay? How can you have $750 and you want $1,000 a month? What is this means? What is it? You harvest the market? You just go and you take all the people's traders' money in the market? What's this strategy that you have? Magic? It means try to use always, try to be humble, try to be simple, try to understand that you are a beginner and you don't know the market and you don't know even this idea of performance. Okay? There is a funny thing. One of the guys, he sent me an email before and he told me, oh, I have 200% in my trade. And how much you got? I told him, okay, for me in 1 year, last year, I get 58% of my money. That's it. Oh, he told me, you are slow. 58, it's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for double my money or triple my money. In each month, not in each year, in each month. I say, man, I can't help you. Go to someone else who can duplicate things. Maybe you can buy a printer and you make a copy of money and you can just duplicate all this money that you have, which is the fastest way, I guess. So a lot of people, when they approach the market, because they see online people telling them that from 1,000 2,000 in 1 year you become a millionaire or become a billionaire. I don't know, this kind of people. Okay? So they think that it is something that anyone can do it. Okay? It's like lottery. They want just to scratch something, a ticket, and they get millions of dollars. That's it, what they want. They want the fastest thing. They don't want to work. They don't want to learn trading. They don't want to save money for their account. They don't want to do the right thing to build a business, but instead they are dreaming and dreaming and dreaming. And this is a problem for traders. That's why people who are dreaming, one day they give up everything because they will search for another thing which is easier. Maybe buying lottery tickets all their life and waiting when this money comes. Okay? So this gambling idea or gambling mindset, you can't go far with it. Okay? So here in my channel, I'm not doing gambling thing. I'm not doing lottery thing. I'm not telling you that you can double your money in 1 year or two. I don't. Okay? This depends on you. What you learn. If you learn faster, you can make more money faster. If you have more money, you can make more money. Okay? That's why the rich, they make more money because they have money. Now, if you have little money, you should raise your money. You should save money and learn trading. Spend money on trading. Okay? Until you develop skills to make the money. Because the market, what is it? There are a collection of traders. Few are professional. A lot of people are not professional. They are beginners. Now, who lose the money? It's not the professional who lose the money. It is the beginners who lose the money. Okay? Because they don't know how to trade. They don't know what they are doing. Okay? So, going back to our question, the fastest stocks are the stocks that are small. Okay? $5 can go to $10 in a few days. But a stock that it is $500 to go to 1,000, it needs time. Okay? It needs time. It needs time. As you can see, for example, Google, if you take Google or you take Apple, it takes 1 year or 2 or 3 or 4 to have this percentage. But the thing is, if you want faster things, you should look for smaller stocks. Even if it is like 30 or 20 or 15, it can double in 1 month. And this 1 month is just sometimes few days. I have seen a stock that I sent before in my stock picks, and I make a video. This stock was, when it is above the resistance line, I bought it and they send it to my subscribers. So I send a lot of like 10 or 15 stocks. But for me, when I send stocks, I don't tell them what I buy, because sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. So you decide for yourself. Now, this stock was $11.55. In 3 days, it goes to $29.50. Okay? But in 6 days or 7 days or 10 days, it goes back to $11. So it was like, maybe it is like a scam or something like that. So, but the idea is, there are some stocks that go up and up and up and never go back to where they were. Okay? I have seen a stock before that I always give as an example. PCYC. Okay? PCYC. This stock was $3. In 1 year, it goes to 145. Right now, I think it's 175. These kind of stocks, they are so quick. Why? Because the company, a lot of people, they buy it, and a lot of people discover it at each price. For example, a stock that $3, it goes to $6 after 1 month or 2. Now, people discover it at $6 and they buy it too much. It goes to 10 or 12, and then other people discover it, and from 12 it goes to 20, like this. until it goes to 145. So it needs time to go like this. But when it goes like this, it goes fast. Okay? But before it wasn't known. But when it goes bigger and bigger, the analysts begin to speak about it, and it will be volatile. It will going up very quick, going down very quick. So it will be volatile. But before, when it's going up, it wasn't volatile that much, and it was going up and up and up. Okay? Because people, when they discover something, at first they buy and they buy and they let it go until it was discovered by day traders, and then the volume will becomes high, and then it become a mess. Okay? So if you are looking for fastest stocks, you should see the stocks that are small. What I mean by small, any kind of stock like 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 30. Okay? Even if it is 30 or 40, because it can double in 1 month or 2. So don't be scared to say, oh, this 50 is too big. No, it's not too big. Okay? I have seen stocks goes 200%, 300% in 1 week or 2 or 3. So don't be discouraged because the stock is bigger. Okay? So I'm always looking at the price. Don't tell me what kind of company is this, or which industry is this, or wherever, because this is useless. People, big guys, mutual fund or hedge fund, or when he buys a stock, whatever it is the stock, it goes up so wild. So don't bother yourself searching for what kind of industry, what kind of sector, what kind of, okay, any sector, any industry can go, the stock can go wild, and you can see the history of stocks. You find a stock that was $2, now it is $100 in 1 year. So it happens. Okay, it happens, and it's not in one industry, it's in almost all the industries. Okay, so try to focus on this kind of stocks if you want a higher return. But I'm telling you that this kind of stocks, you should always be careful, because as it goes quicker on the upside, it can go down very quick down. Okay? So if you don't put stop loss, you get a mess. As I just give you an example. A stock going from 11.55 to 29.50. It means 300% in 1 week or 2. But this stock 29, now it is 11. Okay? So it goes down back to where to, because there is a scam, or there is wherever is the problem. Okay? But stop loss is always protecting you to lose little, even if you have to, like a stock you bought it $5, it goes to $20, and you make good money from it. But always put stop loss up to have this profit, because it can go down and it can take all your profit, half of it or all, and it is a mess. Okay, you can buy it later if it goes up again. So there is no problem. Take this psychological problem that you say to yourself, if I sell, it will go up. No, take this from your mind, because if it goes up again, buy it again. Well, what's the problem? It's just as you sell, as you buy. Okay, so this is all for this video. If you are looking for this kind of stocks, try to see smaller stocks, and they can go faster and faster and faster, but understand that there is a risk. If you want high reward, you will have high risk. This is trading. Okay, you risk more, you have more. You risk less, you have less. Okay, thank you very much, and have a nice day.